Unfasten all straps. Fully extend your leg while fitting the device. Align the center of the hinges slightly above the middle of your kneecap. The center of the hinges should be at the midline of your leg. Ensure that the cable covers are on the outside of the device and floating free of obstruction. Check both sides of the device. Fasten the anti-migration strap. Fasten the upper and then the lower shin strap by inserting them through their respective D-rings. Next, fasten the upper thigh strap. Fasten the lower thigh strap liner, followed by the lower thigh liner strap. With your leg extended, unfasten all the straps on the front of the device. Attach the straps back to themselves, making it easier to put the device on next time and prolonging the life of the straps.